Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In today's lecture, we will practice some more questions based on trigonometric functions and equations. In the last session, we had covered till question number 6. So in this lecture, we will start from question number 7 and we will discuss till question number 12. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So let's start with question number 1, question number 7, which says if sine theta is equal to minus 4 by 5 and theta lies in the third quadrant, right? Then we have to find the value of cos theta by 2. Then cos theta by 2 is equal to what? So see, if sine theta is equal to minus 4 by 5, the hint is, since the theta lies in the third quadrant, right? If theta is lying in the third quadrant, then theta by 2 will lie in the second quadrant, right? And in the second quadrant, we know that cos theta is negative, and sine theta, in second quadrant, we know that cos theta by 2 will be negative, and sine theta by 2 will be positive, right? Sine theta by 2 will be positive. So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part. See, given that sine theta is equal to minus 4 by 5 and theta lies in the third quadrant, therefore cos theta will be minus of, since cos theta will be root over 1 minus sine square theta, right? Therefore cos theta will be, since theta in third quadrant, therefore cos theta will also be negative, right? Therefore cos theta will be negative of root over 1 minus sine square theta, which is 4 square upon 5 square, that is minus of root over 1 minus 16 upon 25, which is equal to minus 3 over 5. Now cos theta by 2 is equal to plus minus root over 1 plus cos theta upon 2, right? Cos theta by 2 is equal to plus minus root over 1 plus cos theta by 2, which is equal to plus minus root over 1 minus 3 by 5 upon 2, right? Which is equal to plus minus root over 1 by 5. Clear? But we take cos theta by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 5, since if theta is in third quadrant, then theta by 2 will be in the second quadrant, right? And in the second quadrant, cos theta by 2 will be negative, right? Therefore, we will ignore plus sign. Therefore, cos theta by 2 will be minus of 1 by root 5. Hence, cos theta by 2 is equal to minus of 1 by root 5 will be the right choice. Option B is the right answer. Got it? Option B is the right answer. Let's move to the next question, question number 8, which says the expression tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A can be written as. So see, the hint of this question is we will try to write tan A and cot A in terms of sine A and cos A, right? In terms of sine A and cos A, and after further simplification, you can easily reach to the answer part, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay? Let's move to the solution part. The given expression is tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. See, what we have done, we have basically converted tan A, we have written tan A as sin A upon cos A and cot A as cos A upon sin A, right? Therefore, it is equal to sin A upon cos A into sin A upon sin A minus cos A plus cos A upon sin A into cos A upon cos A minus sin A, right? Therefore, it is equal to 1 upon sin A minus cos A. What we have done, we have basically taken 1 upon sin A minus cos A as common, right? Therefore, it will be sin cube A minus cos cube A upon cos A into sin A, right? Therefore, it is sin cube A minus cos cube A can be written as sin A minus cos A into sin square A plus sin A cos A plus cos square A, right? And sin a minus cos a will be cancelled in the numerator and in the denominator, right? Therefore, it will be equal to sin square a plus sin a cos a plus cos square a upon sin a cos a. Now, sin square a plus cos square a, we know that it is equal to 1, right? Therefore, it is equal to 1 plus sin a cos a upon sin a cos a, right? After separating this value, you will get 1 upon sin a cos a, which is equal to sec a cos a, plus sin a upon sin a cos a upon sin a cos a, which is equal to 1. Therefore, answer will be 1 plus sec a cos a. Right, option B is the right choice. Sec a cos a plus 1. Got it? Option B is the right choice. Now let's move to the next question, question number 9, which says if tan theta, 2 tan theta plus 2 and 3 tan theta plus 3 are in GP, then the value of 7 minus 5 cot theta upon 9 minus 4 root over sec square theta minus 1 is. So the hint of this question is, first we will write the condition of the GP. If 3 numbers are in GP, that is A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AB. We know that, right? So you will try to apply that condition, and after applying that condition, you will be able to get the value of tan theta, right? And after putting the value of tan theta, you will get the answer, right? Clear? Once you will get the value of tan theta, you can convert it into sec square theta and cot theta, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part. Since these 3 numbers are in GP, therefore we can write 2 tan theta plus 2 whole square is equal to tan theta into 3 tan theta plus 3, right? As if 3 numbers are in GP, that is ABC are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. That's why we have represented this like 2 tan theta plus 2 whole square is equal to tan theta into 3 tan theta plus 3, which is equal to 4 tan square theta plus 8 tan theta. After solving, you will get 4 tan square theta plus 8 tan theta plus 4 is equal to 3 tan square theta plus 3 tan theta, which is equal to tan square theta plus 5 tan theta plus 4 is equal to 0. Which imply after taking common, you will get tan theta plus 4 into tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, tan theta is equal to minus 1. Since we have neglected tan theta is equal to minus 1, right? If tan theta is equal to minus 1, then these terms will be not defined, right? These terms will be not defined. Clear? Therefore, we have neglected tan theta is equal to minus 1. So if tan theta is equal to minus 4, then see, root over sec square theta minus 1 is basically root over tan square theta, right? Root over tan square theta. Clear? Root over tan square theta. And now root over tan square theta, since tan theta is equal to minus 4, therefore root over tan square theta will be equal to minus 4, right? Therefore, because see, tan square theta is basically a square of minus 4 and 4 both. Yes, since tan theta is minus 4, therefore root over tan square theta is basically minus 4, right? Therefore 7 minus 5 cot theta upon 9 minus 4 root over tan square theta is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4 is equal to 9 minus 4 into minus 4, right? After solving this, you will get 33 upon 100. After solving this, you will get 33 upon 100 is the right answer. Got it? Therefore option C is the right choice. Option C is the right choice. 33 upon 100. Got it? Let's move to the next question, question number 10, which says if sine alpha plus beta is equal to 1 and sine alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by 2, then tan alpha plus 2 beta into tan 2 alpha plus beta is equal to. So see, the hint of this question is, since sine alpha plus beta is given 1 and sine alpha minus beta is given 1 by 2. Therefore, alpha plus beta will be, you can calculate the value of alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta, right? And while adding and subtracting these terms, you will get the value of alpha plus 2 beta or 2 alpha plus beta, right? In this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay? Okay, let's move to the solution part C. As sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1, therefore alpha plus beta will be equal to pi by 2, right? Because sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. And if sin alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by 2, therefore alpha minus beta is equal to pi by 3. Equation 2. Now on solving equation 1 and equation 2, we will get alpha is equal to pi by 3 and beta is equal to pi by 6. Right? Alpha is equal to pi by 6, 3 and beta is equal to pi by 6. Now we can put the value of alpha and beta here. Now tan alpha plus 2 beta into tan alpha 2 alpha plus beta will be, by putting the value of alpha and beta, we will get tan 2 pi by 3 into tan pi pi by 6, which is equal to tan pi minus pi by 3 into tan pi minus pi by 6, which is equal to minus of tan pi by 3 into minus of tan pi by 6, right? Minus and minus will be plus. Therefore, 10 pi by 3 is basically root 3 and 10 pi by 6 will be equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, root 3 and root 3 will be cancelled out. Therefore, 1 is the right answer. Clear? Therefore, option A is the right choice. 1. Got it? 1 is the right answer. Okay. Let's move to the next question, question number 11, which is, in an acute angle triangle, the least value of sec A plus sec B plus sec C is. So, see, the hint of this question is, since the angle is since triangle is an acute angle triangle, then we have basically find the least value of this expression. So you can try to apply AMGM inequality, right? Since we know that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is less than or equal to minus 3 by 2. Clear? So you can apply that formula also, and you can try to apply AMGM inequality. So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. Sec A, sec B, and sec C are positive in an acute angle triangle, right? Therefore, also arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to harmonic. We know that. We have basically applied AM-HM inequality. AM-HM inequality. Therefore, we know that arithmetic mean greater than or equal to harmonic, which implies sec A plus sec B plus sec C upon 3 greater than or equal to 3 upon cos A plus cos B plus cos B. Now, in triangle ABC, we know that in triangle ABC, cos A plus cos B plus cos C is basically less than or equal to 3 by 2. We know that. Right. Therefore, if we take reciprocal, we will get 1 plus cos A plus cos B plus cos C will be greater than or equal to 2 by 3. Right. Therefore, sec A plus sec B plus sec C upon 3 greater than or equal to 2. Clear? Therefore, sec A plus sec B plus sec C is greater than or equal to 6. Right. Therefore, 6 is the right answer. Option D is the right choice. Clear? Option D, 6 is the right answer. Got it? Let's move to the next question, question number 12, which says that if A is greater than 0, B is greater than A, and AB less than pi, sin A plus sin B is equal to root over 3 by 2, and cos A plus cos B is equal to 1 by root 2, then A is equal to, we have to basically find A, right? So see, this is basically sin A plus sin B. You can multiply root 2 both the sides and try to convert this in terms of sin A plus B things, sin A plus B, or include pi by 4 also, right? And in the similarly in this expression, you can try to apply the same thing, and you can try to find the value of A plus B and A minus B, and after that you can easily get the value of angle A, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. Clearly, sin A plus sin B whole square plus cos A plus cos B whole square is basically 2. By squaring these two equations and adding, right? Therefore, sin A plus sin B whole square plus cos A plus cos B whole square is equal to 2. Therefore, after solving, we will get, since sin square A plus cos square A will be 1, and sin square B plus cos square B will also be equal to 1, right? Therefore, 2 plus 2 sin A sin B plus cos A cos B is equal to 2. Therefore, cos of B minus A is equal to 0. Therefore, B is equal to A plus 90 degree. B is equal to A plus 90 degree. Now, cos A minus sin A is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, by dividing both sides, by dividing root 2 both the sides, that is by multiplying root 2 both the sides, we will get cos A into pi by 4, cos A into cos 45 degree, since 1 by root 2 is cos 45 degree, right? So cos A into cos 45 degree minus sin A into sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, cos A plus 45 degree is equal to cos 60, right? Since this equation is cos A plus B, right? Therefore, cos A plus 45 degree equals to cos 60. Therefore, A is equal to 15 degree, right? A is equal to 15 degree. Got it? Therefore, option A is the right choice, 15 degree. Option A, 15 degree is the right choice. Got it? So in this way, we have discussed a lot of different types of questions based on trigonometric functions and equations. Hope you understood the solution, and hope you understood how to apply the concepts in the questions, right? And hope you liked the lecture. Okay. Thank you so much.